Welcome everybody. Today's puzzle is really nice. I can tell you that. So if you don't know it, the answer might surprise you. So keep watching till the end. Let's get started. And in today's puzzle, we have a series of train stations. This is train station number 1 and train station number 2. And we want to know in how many ways the train can go through the station. So of course, in train station number 1, the train can go through that station in just one way. And in train station number 2, the train can go through the station in 2 ways, like that. One way, and of course, 2 ways. That's easy. So now we have a series of train stations of increasing complexity. This is train station number 3, which is a bit more complex, and then train station number 4 and train station number 5. And the question for you is, in how many ways can the train go through train station number 5? Of course, only traveling to the right, and the answer might surprise you. Yes. So try to solve it if you want, or just keep watching. And for the solution, let's start with train station number 1, and I added some dots, some circles, to explain you a technique which is really powerful when you have to count paths. So in train station number 1, you can go through the station, of course, in just one way, and in train station number 2, you can reach that dot in one way, and you can reach the top dot in one way and the bottom dot in one way, and therefore you can reach the exit, the last dot, in 2 ways, one through the top dot and one through the bottom dot. So you have to add the numbers in the top dot and the bottom dot. So let's see how it works in train station number 3. In train station number 3, you can reach that dot in one way, and then 1, we already know, and the top dot over there in one way, and now we can reach that dot in 2 ways, of course, from there and from there, 2 ways. And we can reach, therefore, the last dot in one way through the top and 2 ways through the bottom. So we can reach the last dot in 3 ways. So here's train station number 4. We can copy everything up to here. And now we have to face the bottom dot over there. And we can reach it in 2 ways, because we can reach the previous dot in 2 ways. And since there's just one line connecting those 2 dots, we can also reach this dot in 2 ways, and therefore we can reach the last dot in 5 ways. 3 from the top and 2 from the bottom. And now we are finally able to solve the problem. Here's train station number 5. We copy everything up to here, and we copy the 3 over there because there's just one line connecting the 3 with the previous 3, and therefore the last dot can be reached in 8 ways. 3 plus 5. We already know the technique. And you may have noticed that the numbers that we get are the Fibonacci numbers. So these are the Fibonacci train stations. Isn't that cool? And here's another problem for you, a different train station. Try to solve this one. Leave your comments in the section below, and like the video please if you liked it, and subscribe. And that's all. Bye bye, and I'll catch you on the next one.